remove this splash shield. I have a lot of things missing here. Push clips, another splash shield for me is missing, but basically I'm going to remove all my Phillips head screws that are holding this on. I'm going to go around, and there should be 3 at the front here. And then in the front, you also have some push clips. Yours might be different, just because mine are not original, but whatever push clip you have, pull it out on both sides. And then there should be 2 more over here. Mine are missing. And then all that's left holding this in is 2 screws on each side. Okay. Now this is going to want to drop down. Pull it out from under the bumper. Let's put up the splash shield. Line it up with the bolt holes on the back here. Let's start in a few of the screws. There we go. This is going to hold it on for me. Okay. Make sure it gets tucked up underneath the bumper cover. And start this one in over here. And the one next to it. Let's snug these up. And then if you had these 2 push clips, go ahead and put those back. Now let's do the same thing to the other side. Stripped. And then you have 2 push clips at the front, or more, depends on what you had originally. Perfect.